Mistake number 2. Lack of balance between storytelling and displaying the financial information in your presentation. There used to be a client who sent me an 18-page pitch deck. There were 8 pages dedicated to listing the cast, 5 pages of synopsis, and a very small 1/2 page of financial details. So you may ask, what's wrong with that? Before we think about what's wrong, first, let's recap the goal when you're talking to investors. To successfully persuade an investor, you need to show them some key elements. First, an interesting story. Second, a team of committed filmmakers. 3, details regarding the use of their money and how you're going to get the money back with a return. 4, how do you distribute the film effectively so they can get the money back? Let's get back to the 18-page pitch deck example. If there are 8 pages of synopsis and 5 pages of a cast, but only 1/2 page of financial information and 0 information on distribution, he was putting too much weight on storytelling, but too little on giving a very clear picture of how the investor's money will be spent and how to get the money back with a profit return. To deal with this mistake, you should provide adequate data analyzing cost and profit together with storytelling to make the deck comprehensive and professional with valuable business insights. Don't forget, it is never a bad idea to talk to investors like a business person who's good at using numbers and facts wisely.